What's up everybody, this is CryptoBox with another video. If you're new here, I make videos daily about blockchain games and NFTs. Subscribe if you're here to make some gains. Check out my Discord server and Telegram group down below in the description. It's gonna be almost at the top of the description, so check that out. You can discuss with one another, ask me questions and suggestions. So yeah, let's get into the video. So today I'm gonna be covering Binamon, how to sell player to player selling. So this is the trading feature that Binamon platform has. Now it is kind of annoying to go here and there and make your own ads and stuff like that, because there isn't really a marketplace where you can see all of them distributed in front of you. So where you're gonna have to go is go into their app by clicking battle to earn, and then once you click battle to earn, it will take you to nft.binamon.org. Once you're here, you will have to have one of your monsters, and it's gonna be called like any monster. So if you're selling energy, that's gonna be different, monster different, and Z1 monster different. So energy, I'm pretty sure they use a different currency for energy, and so for monsters, so that'll be different for selling in currency. And then I'm gonna be selling my Z1 monster, so I have two right here. I'm gonna sell the one on the right here, this Cardano 2, and I'm gonna be selling it from a algorithmic cost of 1-to-1 pricing. So if you want to know how much you're gonna be selling it for, you can open CoinMarketCap and then you'd search up Bmon, because you can only sell it with Bmon currency so far from what I'm seeing. And you'd go down to the USD converter and you'd see how much is $26. So that's about 80 Bmon. So I'll sell it for about 80 Bmon today. Normally there would be an approve escrow, so that is the contract they're gonna be using. It's like the middleman thing where you sell and you can receive it without getting scammed or anything. So if I go to energy, you would see this button, but in Z1 monsters, or if you're in monsters, energy and stuff like that, you're gonna have to click approve of escrow. And then once you've done that, you will see these buttons, player to player, sell, show up if you have any cards right here. Now if you want to sell your cards but they're not showing up, it's probably because it is in the play to earn.binamon.org. So there's a high chance it is right here in the staked NFTs, and you'd have to withdraw the NFT. And then once you've withdrawn it, you're gonna have to wait like 5 minutes to 10 minutes, and it will show up soon on the tab here. Once you're done with that, you're gonna have to click player to player sell, and you'll see that there is a fee of 3.5%. So I'm gonna sell mine for approximately 90 tokens. So if I want to see how much 90 tokens is, I'd go here, and that's about $30. So I'm gonna sell for $30. I'm gonna put this in the pinned comment, this code right here. You're gonna have to put that code into the buy NFT. I've made a video which is at the top right hand right now, and you click on that and you will see how to buy player to player NFTs. So this will be the pinned comment, and this is what you're gonna have to do. You're gonna put the price you want in Bmon tokens, not USD or anything. 89, just because, you know, sometimes people get convinced by just that. Sell, edit, remove about a 0, maybe make this 2, maybe make this 7. And that should be good. So then we'll click confirm, and it should work this time. It cannot not work. There you go. So it's now confirmed, and you can see that it is now listed on your player to player NFT, my NFT for sale. So if you were on this tab, it wouldn't show up, so you have to click my NFT for sale, and now I have these two cards here for sale. So I'll put both of these codes in the pinned comment if you guys want to buy this. And yeah, so that will be the end of the video. Hopefully you found this helpful. If you did, leave a comment. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Comment what you want for the next video and what game you recommend. Also, make sure to check my Discord and join it. And same for my Telegram. Ask me questions, give me suggestions on newer platforms if you really guys want my opinion on them. And that's it for the video. See you guys later.